Hi mates, today I'm going to deal with the gate. I'm about to remove the old one and make a new one. This gate is not good for me at all. It is quite difficult to get inside the garage in winter time. Winter is coming, so I need to make something good, warm and interesting. Stay with me, everything will be cool as always. I guess you've already understood that this is the second part of the gate. Its wider part will contain the wicket which I will use to enter the garage. Now I'm going to make the main opening and get down to the gate. decided not to show you the entire production process, but as you can see, it turned out very well. I checked if it was working. Great, that's what I've been dreaming about all last winter. That is it. I will assemble the whole structure and start the installation process. Well, the gate is installed, but the weather was bad and I didn't manage to shoot the installation. That is why I will tell you everything briefly. I used a 14th channel bracket as the main frame. I insulated it with foam on the outside and sealed it with brick glue through a grid. Now I have more space in the garage as I install the gates a bit offset. Therefore, I'll have space for a lathe machine. But the wicket turned out to be a little low, but it didn't bother me much. Since I'm not going to fix my car here, I won't need to go back and forth 20 times a day. Well, look at my future lock which I bought on AliExpress for $20. You can find the link in the description below. Well, the electronic locks act as latches like a catch of a regular lock. Guys, thank you very much for watching, especially to those of you who watched it all the way from the start. The gate I made is for me, but this video is for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the like button and leave your interesting ideas in the comment section. Good luck, have a good one.